Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kat. We are going to do a short little routine that you can do before you go to bed. It's going to be really relaxing. We're going to focus on a little bit more breath and just moving all the joints nice and slow. You can do this at any speed you like. So if you feel like you want to hold a position, then do that. If not, just, you can follow along. If you are looking for a routine that focuses more on strengthening the core, then I'm going to link one up here, down below in the description, and one in the comments as well. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then click this button down here. And when you're ready, then let's get those joints nice and juicy. So we're going to start by mobilizing our spine and pelvis and our shoulders. Come onto your knees, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do from the side. Place your hands on top of your knees. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's flex our spine. Look at your belly button or in between your thigh. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's lift our chest up towards that ceiling. Keep the core engaged. Shoulders down your back. Inhale here. Exhale, round. Look at your thigh. And exhale, let's lift our chest. Shoulders down your back. One last time. And lift up. Good. Come back to center. Let's bring our right arm up towards the ceiling. Left arm on the floor. Exhale, let's bend all the way over to your left hand side. Sink your hips down towards the floor. And as you exhale, let's flex forward, round that spine. Bring your hands towards the center, the other arm toward the side. Lift up, and let's reverse. Right arm up towards the ceiling. Flex forward. Enjoy that lateral flexion. And back. One more time on each side. So if you want to hold anywhere that feels really comfortable, then you can do that. Let's bring it all the way back. Perfect. Let me show you from the side. Hands in front of you. Inhale here. Let's reach your arms forward. As you exhale, let's slowly lift our shoulders towards the ears and bring it back behind us. So you're trying to pinch your shoulder blades together and lower it back down. Reach your arms forward. Lift them up, back, and down. So you're essentially drawing a square with your shoulders. Try and keep your hands nice and straight. Last one in this direction. Let's reverse. Come all the way back, lift up, forward, and back down. Last one. Back, up, forward, down, relax. Shake it all out. Good. Have your hands on top of your, in front of you, so you come into a kneeling position. Inhale here. Let's tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale to come back into the natural spine curve. And again. Last one. Good. On your next one, let's tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, let's round your lower back. Then your middle back, upper back, head last. Inhale here. Exhale, let's unwind from the tailbone first. Slowly bring your lower back, middle back, head last. Let's go again. So you can go this at any speed you like. If you want to go really slow, do that. And if you want to go fast, up to you. Just do whatever feels good. Good. Slowly come all the way back. Come lying onto the floor. Lie on the floor, nice and straight. Just take a deep breath in. Walk your legs out so as wide as your mat. And bring your knees in together. And just take a deep breath in. One more breath. Perfect. Open up the knees, walk your feet back into hip distance apart. Place your hands on top of your hip bones for a little bit of feedback, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So you're going to lower your right leg down towards the floor. and then bring it all the way back over to the other side. Exhale to lower and back. So you're going to roll onto the side of your feet, and that's totally fine. Bring it back. Notice if this side opens up as you lower the other leg, or if your other hip opens up and back. Last one. Perfect. Bring your legs in. So you're going to bring your right leg in and you're going to lift it up towards the ceiling. You can either have your legs bent or you can have it straight, up to you, but flex your feet. Keep this leg as straight as you can. It can be slightly bent, whatever's more comfortable. Inhale here. So let's bring the leg all the way over across the body and let's circle the knee down towards the floor. And then open up and bring it back to center. And again, inhale to come across and down. Exhale to come up. Let's reverse. Come all the way over and back down. Last one. Notice if you're holding any tension in your upper body. Bring it back. Let's go to the opposite side. Flex the right foot. Other leg nice and straight. Come all the way down and up. Last one. Good, let's reverse. Notice if you're moving your hips or not. Notice if you have one hip wider than the other or more mobile than the other. Last one. Lower the leg down. Place your leg on top of hip distance apart. Have your hands by your side. Inhale here. Let's tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. As you exhale, let's slowly peel your spine off the floor, bone by bone. Inhale here. And exhale, let's slowly lower down. Nice and slow. And again. We got two more. Last one. Come all the way back. Perfect. Let's come on the way onto the floor. Lie on your side. Lying down on the floor like this. Place your head on top of your arm. Knees are bent 90 degrees. Draw the core in. Send this hip bone towards the wall behind you. Let's extend our arms up towards in front of us. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's circle the arm all the way up towards our ears. As you rotate back, think about sweeping and twisting from the upper back. And bring it back to center. And again. Keep your hips stacked. The last one. And let's bring it back over to the other side. Knees on top of each other, lying on the hand. Core tight, extend the top hip, stack those hips, arms in front, palms facing down. Inhale to bring it all the way up towards the ears. As you exhale, let's twist from the upper back, sweep your arms all the way back, and bring it back. Inhale to come up, exhale, circle back, and back. Last one. and lower the arm down. Come all the way down towards your other side. Let's bring in the knees and hug it out. Rock side to side. And let's open up our knees as wide as we can. And rock side to side. Circle the knee up towards your chest. And let's open up, circle them down and away from our body. Last one in this direction. And let's reverse. Come all the way up, sink down and away. Last one. Bring it back to center. Come onto your front. We're going to come into a 4-point kneeling position. Place your right arm over to your left arm, thumbs facing the ceiling. Inhale here. Exhale, sink the hips down. And if you fancy, you can also walk your hands slightly further over to your left-hand side to get an even bigger lateral body stretch. And take a deep breath in. And when you're ready, let's come all the way over to the other side. And exhale, let's come back. And over to the other. Exhale, sink the hips. Breathe into that space. And then when you're ready, let's come back to center. Good. On your next one, let's bring our arms up towards our ceiling. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's turn the palm in and sweep the arms down. Thread the arm. Relax the shoulder. Inhale here. Exhale, let's open up. And let's come back. See if you can go a little bit further. And let's come back. The last one, we're going to hold it for a breath. One more breath. Let's slowly come back. Over to the other side. Right arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale. Sink the arm. And let's open up. See if you go a little bit further. Last one. Hold it here for an extra breath. And then let's come all the way back down to center. Come into a 4-point kneeling position and just shake your hips from side to side. On your next one, I want you to imagine that you're inside your favorite jar, whether that's honey, Nutella, peanut butter, up to you. Just imagine you're at the bottom of your jar, you're arching your lower back, your core is tight. Inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to slowly roll over. You're going to push that honey towards the side. As you come into a lateral flexion, then slowly flex the spine. You push the honey all the way up to the top and over to your right hand side. Come all the way down towards the center. And again. So you can be as wide as you like, as big as you like, as small as you like. Up to you. Just do whatever feels good. Last one. And we are going to reverse. Come all the way over to the side. Flex the spine over to the left. Last one. Come all the way back to the center. Bring your knees slightly back behind you. You're going to shift the shoulders all the way up to the top. Imagine you're drawing an 8 with your whole body. Circle your hips all the way back and draw the bottom half, and then come forward. And again, you don't have to draw an 8. You can draw whatever shape you like. Just do whatever feels good. And on your next one, we are going to reverse. So when you're ready, let's reverse. Last one. And just move your body however you like. Slowly sink your hips towards your heels.
Turn the palm up towards the ceiling and place them on the outside of your feet. Place your forehead on the floor and just hold it here. So if this is not comfortable for you, you can come onto your side. Just take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale all the air out. And again. You might find that as you inhale, your whole back body opens up. And exhale. See if you get closer into the floor. Last one. And slowly exhale all the air out. Slowly slide your hands in front of you. They can be wider than shoulder distance apart. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's tuck your tailbone. Let's start to articulate our spine. Stack the middle back, upper back, head last, and roll your shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, notching the chest. Exhale, peel away from that imaginary wall, bone by bone. Slide your hands along the floor. Inhale here. And exhale, tuck that tailbone. Then restack your lower back, middle back, upper back, head last, and roll your shoulders back. I hope you're feeling really relaxed, and if you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or requests. If you're not already, then subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell because that lets you know when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one.